I don't know if I'll be able to see any differences just because I feel like it's just dirty water. It honestly smells really nice. Now, is it giving me results? I mean, the two horizontal lines, they're still here as you can see them, 1 and 2. Hello guys, today I want to put to the test another iconic toner in Korean skincare, and that is the rice toner by I'm From. And I will be putting this to the test for 1 entire week and actually see if we see any visible results in our skin and how it improves our skin, or maybe doesn't improve our skin. We don't know yet. But anyways, this toner is an insane, get this, 77.78% rice water. That is just so high. But if you guys didn't know, rice water is actually really beneficial because it stimulates the collagen production in our skin, and collagen is literally essentially what keeps our skin looking youthful, plump, and wrinkle free. So really sign me up right now. But anyways, also reading from the bottle, it says that I'm From a rice toner contains the best rice grown in Jeoju, I'm sorry if I butchered it, where is the origin of the rice. The immaculate rice called Goa rice delivers clean and clear skin and makes skin soothe so that skin is glowing from the inside of the skin. So this is maybe supposed to be a little bit anti-aging, which I'm definitely happy about. So we'll have to see if it actually decreases my crow's feet and the wrinkles on my forehead. They have literally got me hooked on this. So I cannot wait to put this bad boy to the test. So without further ado, let's get to experimenting, shall we? Okay guys, so I have just cleansed my face. I want to show you what my skin looks like to begin with, because we definitely have to see if this is gonna improve the wrinkles. So as you can see, I have just a tiniest bit of crow's feet right here, as you can see also here. And then I don't know if you're able to see them, but I definitely have a little bit of fine lines that are starting to show. But anyways, another thing is that it's gonna help with hydration. Now my skin is definitely feeling a little bit tight and dry, so I'm definitely interested to see how that is gonna help. But anyways, I have cooked rice before and I have smelled rice water. So is it gonna be the same smell? Is it just gonna be like foggy, dirty water? I have no idea. It honestly smells really nice. I'm just gonna apply it on my fingers. Let's see. As you can see, it's very white. Oh, okay. So this much. Okay, so it is stinging a little bit, just a tiniest bit. Applying a little bit more. It's definitely feeling very light on the skin and kind of nourishing. Like the consistency is almost like water, but a little bit more granulous and a little bit more sticky, if that makes any sense. Anyways, guys, another thing that I really like is that this bottle is glass right here. She bougie, okay? She ain't no cheap plastic bottle like the other toners that come. Oh no, she expensive.
This ain't the Oscars, is it? I'm used to something a little bit different, but let's go. We bring our own drinks up in places like this.
I don't know if I'll be able to see any differences just because I feel like it's just dirty water. So I mean, first impressions, they're definitely a little bit So we have to see and experiment more for sure. You know me, before we go any further with this experiment and the toner, I want to read the ingredient list so we could better understand what actually is in the rice toner and if there could be any ingredients that might be bad for our skin. I want to know everything. So apart from the 77.78% of rice water, there's also propanediol. Now this is basically soothing and moisturizing to the skin. It also smooths the skin and it also creates a film, a layer on your skin so to prevent transepidermal water loss. So basically what dimethicones and other silicones basically do. Then there's also, oh my god, there's niacinamide in this. I was not expecting this at all. Niacinamide is amazing at reducing redness in the skin caused by acne, rosacea. It is also amazing at reducing the appearance of pores and also brightening up your overall complexion. Anyways, continuing on reading, I see a bunch of glycerin-based ingredients, and basically glycerin is moisturizing and hydrating to the skin. Then I see Portulaceae oleacea extract. Honestly, I had no idea what this is, so I basically looked it up, and it is rich in antioxidants. And now, if you didn't know, antioxidants are amazing at keeping our skin and our collagen protected from aging and damage. Then there's also Ulmus davidiana root extract, and basically this has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. So once again, just kind of like the niacinamide a little bit, it's going to reduce the redness caused by the acne. And then some other glycerin-based ingredients, so again, hydrating, but There is no fragrance in this. And now I'm surprised because this toner just literally smells amazing. Naturally then. Alright, I'm from. Where are you from? Because you literally snapped. There's literally not even one ingredient that I don't approve and I don't like.
Your eyes ain't playing tricks on you. This is mad love right here.
However, I mean, we definitely have to see if we see any results because this rice water, once again, I feel like I'm just applying straight up water on my skin. I need to see results to be able to tell you if I like this or not. So it's day 4. I just cleansed my face. It's now time to tone. Before I do that though, I want to show you, look, can you see there's like a definite separation in the toner of like a more whitey stuff, and then I guess this is just water and this is the ricey bit in it. So you definitely have to shake it. La cucaracha.
Okay.
Before you apply it, I have been enjoying this to apply this. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to apply this every day, like both morning and night. And honestly, I really like how gentle it is. Now, is it giving me results? I mean, the 2 horizontal lines, they're still here as you can see them, 1 and 2. And I do have crow's feet here as well. So maybe it's a more long process kind of results.
We have to sit out here and wait a long periodically time.
But maybe my skin is looking a little bit more glowy. I'll give them that. Maybe. Okay, you guys, so I'm doing my morning skincare routine and it is day 6 of this experiment. I have definitely had fun with this throughout this week, but there are a few things that definitely need to be talked about with you guys right now. So without further ado, I'm gonna share my final thoughts and opinion on this toner, whether you should buy it or not. So let's get talking. Earth to I'm from. Earth to I'm from. Please reply. I'm trying to establish a connection. Oh, okay. Greetings. Welcome to our skincare planet. We come in peace, fellow I'm from. We want to talk about this amazing product. Please take a seat. I want to welcome you to this here very channel. This is your first time here on this channel. We accept you in open arms. We actually have a sacrifice lamb that we will offer you as a peace offering later on. But we want to talk about this toner because truly the first question that I have to ask you is, I'm from. Where are you from? Like, I'm really curious to know. On Earth, we ain't seeing this kind of things. Is this like an alien product that came somehow on this very Earth to grace us? But now you guys, you might have seen the vlogs that I was being very shady at first with the toner. I have to admit, I was calling it a dirty bath water. I was not having it at all. I was very much so already convinced that I was gonna come here and talk smack about this, but truly, my mind just totally shifted. Let's just first talk about the experience of this and the formula. I truly love the formula. I did not know that rice water could actually be so beneficial for our skin, and truly I have seen it firsthand. Fragrance-free, really moisturizing, just really thought after. There is truly not one ingredient that I do not approve of. So I'm from Miss I'm, you truly snap with that. The experience also, I have to say, is very nice. I did find myself using a lot of this just because in my mind I was like, okay, this is basically water, let me apply a lot of this. Because usually when I'm applying a BHA, AHA toners, I know that they can be strong for my skin, so I go a little bit more normal. But with this, I was just literally bathing in it as if I was Cleopatra having my bath in milk. Okay, I was an Egyptian queen at this point, just bathing myself in this. But that is truly besides the point, but that just goes to show you how gentle this toner truly is. It does not sting your skin. It literally feels like water. However, it is an enhanced water. It is just like holy water. Holy water is beneficial against demons. This is water that is beneficial against fine lines and wrinkles, against redness. So in a way, they're very much similar.
Take whatever you got and get out of my house. In Jesus' name, I pray.
So you know what, let me actually just straight up move on to the results that I've seen, because I feel like this is what all you guys are here for. So let me just tell you, the redness in my skin was just reduced so much. Let me tell you something. Whenever I used to apply this, I just looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, I look a lot more Caucasian, like a lot more white. Then I was realizing it was not making my skin whiter, it was removing the redness from my acne. I was not getting more Caucasian, I don't feel like it is possible. However, I was getting reduced redness redness from the acne. And keep in mind, I do have a lot of redness, especially here on the cheeks. As you can see already from the camera, you can tell that I'm red around my nose and also a little bit on my cheeks. Mind you, I've only been using this for a week, so I feel like the redness is still very much present on my skin a little bit. But truly, if I were to stick on using this for more than just a week and maybe go on for a month, I feel like I could definitely see very many improvements. On top of that, another thing that this claims is that this will give you more radiance or more glow to the skin. Once again, I definitely totally agree. Miss Imime, you were not lying when you said that. Truly, you delivered with glowiness to this product. We live. And it does leave my skin kind of like a gritty feel at first, but then it turns more into like a slimy, just not slimy like sticky, but very just a slight slipper feel that it turns into a moisture. And lastly, another claim that it makes is that it reduces fine lines and wrinkles. I did not see any improvement in that at all. My fine lines, the horizontal forehead lines, oh my god, I was flipping you off. I am so sorry, I did not realize.
Don't do it again. It's foolish, truly.
But those are still very much present. And also the crow's feet, unfortunately, they still very are present. However, I have to say, I usually try products for 2 weeks because 1 week is truly not enough to really see an improvement. I will say, however, I did not see even not the slightest improvement in fine lines and wrinkles. So maybe I feel like rice water truly does not possess the vernacular. It does not possess the vocabulary. And someone has lied to her several times for her to think that she is capable of reducing fine lines and wrinkles.
She just doesn't have the vernacular that she thinks she possesses. Somebody lied to her several times and told her that she was fly, hot, and sexy and beautiful, and she's nothing like that. She's nothing of the sort.
So I mean, if your only reason for you to buy this was because it was anti-aging and it was gonna reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, then I'm gonna have to disappoint you, at least now, only having used this for a week. However, I can definitely testify in front of this here jury. And now moving on to who is this for? What skin type should be using this toner? I want to say, first of all, if you have sensitive skin, sis, let's talk one-on-one here. Listen, come closer. A little bit closer. Yeah. This is gonna be perfect for you. Okay, this is gonna deliver you what you need exactly. Rice water is just so gentle, so kind, that she's gonna treat your skin like she deserves, because your skin is sensitive, okay? She cannot handle a lot of, not even constructive criticism. Your skin can really handle just positive vibes. This is gonna give you the positive vibes. Now, if you have normal skin instead, or dry skin, then I would say this is definitely very much still good for you. Dry skin people usually can also have a little bit of redness caused by how dry the skin can be. Or also eczema, this can maybe help you with reducing the redness of eczema a little bit. Moving on to my oily skin peeps, which is me. Hi, I'm part of your joint, your club here. I will say this will not break you out, so it is definitely a positive. I know that our biggest concerns can be oiliness and acne and reducing blackheads and pimples. I will say this will not help you at all in that case. Did not see an improvement in reduction of oiliness. However, the plus side, I didn't even see an increase in blackheads nor increase in oiliness. So it will literally keep your skin normal. And now moving on to how you can implement this baby in your skincare routine. I will say, honestly, you could use this definitely on the daily. I would also venture into saying this is also very gentle enough for you to use this both in your morning routine and in your night routine. I will, however, say for my normal, dry, and also sensitive skin types, I feel like you could definitely benefit from using this on the daily, both morning and night. If you have instead more oily skin, I could say maybe use this only in the morning, because in the morning we don't want to strip our skin. You know, she's just waking up, so we don't want to irritate her. We don't want to use AHA or BHA toners because that can be a little bit strong for her skin. And first thing in the morning, okay? You gotta give her coffee. You gotta drink coffee to wake up, so does your skin, okay? So do not hit her hard at first, please. So having a gentle toner like this one could be definitely an answer. However, I'm from Miss I'm gonna give you one piece of constructive criticism. At first, I truly appreciated and liked that this was in a glass bottle. However, whenever I was using it, I was just scared of dropping it. So I was very scared of that. I'm a cheap hoe. I'm usually used to plastic, okay? I am so used to plastic that I also inject it in my face in form of the filler and silicones.
She's a disgrace to humanity, and she's a disgrace to women who are actually beautiful and classy.
And also another thing that I didn't like is that you used paper. I know where you were coming from this, okay? You were giving us the whole rice vibe and experience. This is the color of what rice is. This is rice paper. You were just giving us nature. I just don't agree, because when I'm doing my skincare, I have wet hands. And look at it. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but literally all the paper is wrinkled and damaged. And honestly, I've been using this for only a week. I can definitely see this coming off and peeling off the more I use it. Constructive criticism coming from the gays.
Faggot. Being a faggot.
He's a faggot.
Fucking faggot.
Stupid faggot. Damn faggot.
Let me tell you, as us gays, we love to laminate things, okay? We truly laminate everything. If you ever have been to a party that was hosted from a gay, you would know that their invitation was laminated. So I maybe suggest, why don't you laminate this and the back as well, so that there ain't no problem of paper.
You're lucky that I'm gracing you with my ideas.
Honestly, all I'm gonna say is never hire a straight guy to do a gay man's job.
Period.
Or a woman, a black woman. A gay or a black woman. One of them two. I'm sorry. We know. But now enough with the talking and the jibber jabber. Let's actually follow with the question that y'all been waiting for. Mateo, would you be using this in your skincare routine once this experiment is over? And the answer to that is yes. Yes, I will. Notice how you did see a little bit of hesitation there?
No.
You hesitated. You thought about it.
I didn't hesitate, because that should have been the question.
And that is because in the morning I can see myself using this. However, at night I definitely won't. So yes, I will use this, and I do approve this. So anyways, if I maybe convinced you to purchase this baby, which honestly, I get you because it is amazing, then I will tell you where I bought this from. I bought this on Insta, which is a Korean website, and I actually bought this for 26 Royal British pounds. And now I know what you're thinking. I have to agree, it is a little bit bougie because this is only 150 mLs, or if you're in my American folks out there, it is 5.07 fluid ounces. All you gotta use is literally a little. So in this week, I used this much. I could definitely see myself for lasting me 2 months, 3 months maybe. But so anyways, you know that your girl has always got you covered. So actually, I have linked down below in the pinned comment the link to buy this toner. So if you wanna go buy it, then literally all you gotta do is click that link. And also, if you maybe wanna save even more off your purchase, then what you should do is actually use code RANDOMS at checkout to get money off your entire purchase. Yes, ma'am. But anyways, if you're still watching and you have not yet subscribed, might I interest you into maybe joining the Random family? And that is because, sis, we are very much into skincare. So if you too are addicted to skincare as much as I and my randoms are, then what you should do is actually join us by subscribing, so hitting that red button and also hitting the bell icon so you don't miss any of the uploads. Because sis, let me tell you, if you are struggling with acne or also fine lines and wrinkles, trust me, I literally embody both of them. Also, if you maybe want to get your skincare routine down to the T, this is the place for you to achieve that and for you to really get that. Also, if you maybe want to see a more behind the scene of what is actually going on, you want to see more, a little bit of me, then what you should do is actually follow me on my Instagram there as well. And also, if you maybe want a little bit more help with your skin in general, you have any skin issues, then honestly, don't hesitate to DM me on my Instagram, and I would love to help you out. Mwah! But anyways, to my randoms who are still watching, you know what time of the video it is now. It's time for the Italian word of the video. And since this video was all about this I'm from rice toner water, then the Italian word of the video is actually going to be riso, which is rice in English. Hey, ma'am, excuse me, what do you think you're doing? Don't you dare take that finger off the trackpad or off the mouse or off the screen. Don't you dare click out of this video quite yet. What you should do now is watch whenever of my 2 videos right here. Made it real easy. All you gotta do is literally click them because they're just gonna be as informative, just as funny, just as entertaining, just whatever this was for you. But while you're doing that, remember to be random and always be random, because life is better being random. So you should also subscribe to be a random. But watch though, or I will kill you with the viper, the snake that killed Cleopatra. You do not want to die like Cleopatra.